Before diving into today's video, I would like to encourage you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it and please turn on the notifications and please click on the bell icon to be notified about all my coming latest videos. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great and had a wonderful and nice weekend with your friends and family. You may have heard pain has a purpose. In the midst of hurt and pain, disappointments, hard times, difficult times, we don't understand how to manage ourselves in the midst of hurt and pain, disappointments, hardships. Very few of us take advantage of hard times, difficult times to make ourselves better. A wise person will never waste any time of learning. This quarantine, isolation time is really hard, boring for a lot of people. I would like to encourage you, this quarantine, isolation time is a great opportunity for you to reflect on yourself. It is a great opportunity. It's a pause. It's a break for you. Lot of people are wasting time. Lot of people are not comfortable with this time. They're very uncomfortable. They found this time very boring. I do understand their situation, but I know a lot of people. I have talked to those kind of people who are utilizing this time to make themselves better, who are utilizing this time to plan their future. They are not worried about their future, but they are planning their future in the midst of this time. In this quarantine, isolation time, they are planning. It's a great opportunity for planning, for goal setting, for a lot of things, for a lot of aspects of life. This is a great opportunity to reflect on them, to reflect on us, to make ourselves better. It is a great opportunity. My advice to you, please make yourself innovative, productive, and creative in the midst of this quarantine and isolation time. It's a great opportunity. Believe me. Don't waste this time. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. God bless you.